Hey there, today is a good day. It's a good day because I am meeting somebody that I've been watching on YouTube for quite some time. This person is sort of a pioneer in the YouTube cooking universe. He's an average guy that cooks food on YouTube that sometimes turns out okay. He also does product reviews and restaurant reviews. He reviews Mexican places, Italian places, and sometimes hamburger places. I am at one of those hamburger places right now, Jumbo and Delicious, in Hendersonville, Tennessee. It's in a strip mall in the community, and you know, I was hoping I could meet Jack, have lunch with him. He agreed. So I am going to be meeting Jack Scalfani from the Cooking with Jack show. This should be fun.
Not be late.
I guess say hi.
It's a pleasure.
Rob, this is my wife Patty.
Pleasure.
It's nice to meet
It's
you.
a pleasure. I'm honored to meet you guys. Seriously, I told another viewer, I'm like, how are you? I brought my friends.
Hi.
So
And Diet Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
Yeah, that.
Medium what?
No, medium.
oh, do you have Coke Zero?
Yes.
Oh, can I have one of those, please? Thanks.
You want anything on the
Okay, he moved to Hendersonville, and he basically made Hendersonville famous.
Cool.
So Roy Orbison followed him.
Mm-hmm.
He came out here, and it was kind of their way, their escape. He had property on the water.
Well, I'm here with my wife Patty.
Hi.
What do you got there?
I have a baby jumbo.
A baby jumbo fries. I have a Swiss and mushroom. And you aren't going to believe this, but I'm here with Jack Scalfani.
Howdy.
And he's got some amazing beef sandwich.
This is a ribeye beef sandwich, and I normally order it. I forgot to tell her no bun. I normally order it on a plate, so you can have it with bun, without bun. It's got onions, cheese, everything. It's really nice.
Oh, this is looking good. I'm excited about this. Thanks, Jack.
Christmas to New Year's, and it's always a tough time to travel.
Right.
And then spring.
The afternoon went pretty quick. That was a couple hours here at Jumbo and Delicious with Jack Scalfani and my wife Patty. We had a great time. Good story shared and a good meal shared. Jack, you're an okay guy. So glad I got to meet you finally in person. Today was a real good day. See you next time.